Hello from your Tech Teach Grow team, back with another weekly tech tip. This one is all about upgrading your lists with emoji bullets. When you create a list in a document or a slide deck, you have a few traditional options in the toolbar. You have circle bullets, stars, arrows, and even checklists, which can be really helpful since you can cross things off. However, you can actually upgrade your bullets even more and use emojis. So, when you have created a list like I have here, what you want to do is click on your bullets and highlight them. And then you want to right click to get your bullet menu and choose More Bullets. Now, mine automatically came up with emojis because I've been playing around with them and using them. Yours will probably come up with symbol or another category that you last used if you inserted any special characters. So when you choose that drop down menu, you can just find emoji there. It's the second one in the list. And then within that category, you also have a lot of different sections: people and emotions, animals, plants and food, objects, and so on. So then you can choose some different options here for your list. You could do smiley faces. We've got some pointers and thumbs up, things like that are kind of fun. Or if it's a specific content item, you might be able to find something even more specific to your list. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose a smiley face. Okay, when you're done, you can just close out this box and go back to your document. So now you can see that instead of just traditional circles, I have smiley faces here for my list, which makes it really fun and creative. The other thing I wanted to point out is that sometimes when you make a bulleted list, you'll notice that my bullet is really far away from my text, and I don't really like the way that that looks. So I can actually adjust that. Okay, so again, if I highlight my bullets, go up here to my ruler. You can see these little blue marks here. We have a rectangle and a triangle. The rectangle really is representing the bullets, and then the triangle is the text. You can see they're pretty far apart from each other. So if I want to make them a little closer, I'm going to click on the rectangle and I'm going to move it a little closer to my text. Now it's up to you. You can move it really close right next to it, farther away. It's really however you want it to be. And then the other thing that you can do is you can move the whole thing to the right or the left, depending on how indented you would like your bullets to be in your list. So I think I'm going to leave it right there. And now I have a really fun bulleted list for my presentation. And I hope that helps give you some ideas on how to make your bulleted lists a little more fun.